हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी विल राइट essay on only one earth living sustainably harmony with nature. Introduction. As we all know that Earth is the only known planet having life in this universe, so we should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth. We should save the Earth so that our future generation can live in a safe environment. We can save the earth by saving trees, natural vegetation, water, natural resources, electricity, etc. Meaning of only one earth. Only one earth advocates for transformative environmental change on a global scale. The campaign shines a spotlight on climate action, nature action, and pollution action, while encouraging everyone everywhere to live sustainably. While our individual consumption choices do make a difference, it is collective action that will create the transformative environmental change we need so we can advance to a more sustainable and just earth where everyone can flourish. Life is possible only on earth. Let's protect it. Importance of our earth. Earth is the only planet that supports life. It's unique and the only. Place that we got. If we can't protect it, it will endanger our own existence. Life on earth is dependent on several things. Land, water, soil, forest, air are all necessary for survival of life on earth. But rapid industrialization, unchecked consumption of natural resources, deforestation, pollution, climate changes, etc., has caused severe damage to the Earth's ecosystem. What can we do for our planet? When facing the question of what action we should protect our planet, the answer is straightforward. Promote and participate in fostering respectful behavior towards the environment. It can be as simple as switching off the light bulb when not needed. It could be turning off the tap when brushing the teeth to prevent water wastage. There is simply nothing heavy work required. Respect nature, cut down on plastic usage, and save energy. Simple habits of limiting wastage and taking care of surroundings, whether you at home, neighborhood, garden, forest, or the sea, where you go on vacation, would go a long way in protecting our planet. The gesture to do or take small steps and habit to change are effortless. The collective efforts of a billion individuals even smaller. Once will resonate on a global scale and make the Earth Day celebration worthwhile. And once the change has been implemented and the habits formed, our lifestyle will be an example and inspiration for the coming generations to be responsible towards nature and the environment. Conclusion. The Only One Earth slogan advocates awareness among people about the importance of Earth and why we should save our Mother Earth. Only one Earth's slogan motivates people to save our environment and its natural resources to give our future generation a safe and healthy planet. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर.